a custom carousel to hold electrodes and tools. The issues that the customer was having was the ability to find quality employees. Will run completely overnight. A lot of shops back in the day would run 8 hours a day, and they lost the ability to be competitive doing that. When you automate your system, you become more competitive. So the end results with this system that we put in place was an increased productivity of 40%. In 2020, they decided to add to that capability and added 3 more machines. I think what makes Sodick special is the Sodick linear motors that are built in-house by Sodick. It's a no-wear system. It's completely frictionless. There's no maintenance. The other manufacturers in the market are using what's called a ball screw, and that system is a mechanical system, and it's going to wear and need maintenance. The biggest indicator is that they decided to expand the cell, and they totally maxed out their productivity. The machines far surpassed what humans could do.